Today we are going to tour 12646 West Duane Lane in Peoria, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Peoria, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Peoria. Welcome to this fantastic home in Vistancia Village. It features 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and over 2,600 square feet of living space. This home offers a spacious laundry downstairs, complete with a washer and dryer for your convenience. The huge kitchen is equipped with all appliances, an oversized kitchen island, walk-in pantry, and extended cabinets into the dining area for extra storage. There are 2 bedrooms, a full bathroom, and a den located on the first floor, with the remaining 3 bedrooms upstairs. And as you can see, there are plantation shutters throughout, offering a gorgeous modern look and allowing tons of natural light when you want it. In addition, the Community of Vistancia offers residents a clubhouse, community pool, Greenbelts, and a workout facility. Other features of this home include a large backyard, perfect for entertaining while also being very low maintenance. Enjoy a covered patio, custom stone fire pit with bench seating, an extended paved area, and artificial turf. Here we have one of the spacious bedrooms, boasting a private bathroom with double sinks and a tub shower combo. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. Finally, here we have the large master bedroom, located on the 2nd floor. It includes a private bath with double sinks, a garden tub, and a separate walk-in shower. Thank you for watching the tour and have a wonderful day.